Hi, I'm Jess, and welcome to my diary. Hi everyone, I am Jess, and welcome to my diary, where you will get to know more about me, my life, and more. Hi, so this is my diary episodes where I am gonna practice my confidence in talking and of course, yung pagiging mahiyain ko. So before we begin then, I just want to say na hindi lang to para sa akin, para sa inyo din, of course. Alam ko kasi yung feeling na tahimik, walang masyadong nakaka-intindi sa atin, and yung mga thoughts lang na kinikip natin sa sarili natin. Ma-wonder pa ba tayo lagi, diba? If yung voice pa ba natin nagmamatter, ganun. So, through this diary, I want to remind you that you do matter. Okay? You deserve to be seen, to be heard, and to be understood. So while I'm working on building my confidence, I hope this also inspires you to speak up and be brave on your own way. And to embrace every part of who you are, even if it's unsure parts. Ganun. So let's grow together using these episodes, part of one episodes at a time. Okay? Last diary, episode 1. Answering random questions to practice talking and be less shy. So, dito, I prepared 10 questions na random stuff lang. Tapos, sasagutin ko siya like, parang straight talking, confident, ganun. Fake it till you make it, ganun. So, pwede nyo rin itong sagutin sa sarili nyo, in your own way. Ganyan. So, let's go. Question number 1. What's your favorite color and why? Random diba? So, bata pa lang talaga ako. Hilig ko na yung red. I really like color red. Parang iba kasi yung dating niya for me. Parang literal na parang center of attention yung atake, ganun. Pero lahat ng gamit ko pink. Parang konti lang yung red ko. Ang cute din kasi ng pink. Ngayon ko lang siya nagustuhan. Like, yung soft pink lang ba? Ganun. Ang cute kasi niya. Lalo pag sa gamit, it feels like soft, so comfy lang. Parang clean. Ganun. Okay. Second questions. What do you do when you feel anxious? So, meron akong hikaw. Yan. Itong hikaw na to is parang may papa. Bigay niya sa akin to. Para ito the first ever hikaw ko nung baby pa ako. Like sobra. Ito na yung gamit ko nung baby pa lang ako. And ito na yung first ever earrings ko na buong buhay ko. Tinanggal ko lang siya kasi nung nung high school kasi parang alam niyo nasa-suffocate na tayo ako ganun kasi ilang years siya. Hindi ko rin siya tinatanggal. So yun, every time na anxious ako, I feel like I'm not really comfortable. Hawak ko to. Like, tanggal kabit lang ako hanggang sa ma-okay ako, gano'n. And of course, taking deep breaths. Like, inhale, exhale, gano'n lang. Practice it also with you guys. Alam ko yung iba sa kwintas. Meron silang kwintas, bracelet, or anything guys. Yung aking hikaw. Question 3. Do you think being shy is a bad thing? Wow, deep. Well, ano pa ba? Kasi ako, as a person na mahiyain din, so, I feel like, I can say that it's not bad to be a shy person. It's not a bad thing. But also, it's not good. So, not bad, but not good. Marami kasing opportunities na nawala, na tinanggihan ko, na that slipped away in me kasi hindi ko kaya. Like, wala akong confidence sa sarili ko. Nahiya ako. That's really one of the problems din siguro. Yun lang yung magiging point ng pag-mahiyain. Ganun. Sabi ko, confidence sa answer. Okay, question 4. If you could design your own bedroom, how would it look? Alam niya, hilig ko ang mag-scroll sa Pinterest. Sobra. Like, parang Pinterest lang lagi ko pinupuntahan sa Chrome. Tapos, ang doon, maganda sa Pinterest is sobrang daming mga images images, mga ideas na gusto mong kunin din talaga. So, meron akong, I have this thing na sobrang gusto ko sa. If ever I have my own bedroom naman masasabi to, pero kasi, yung in the place naman is, and we're not financially stable enough para i-design to in a way affordable. Siguro, if magkakaroon ako ng own room and be able to design it on my own way, ito yung gagawin ko. Because tignan mo naman, I really like, gusto ko talaga yung designs na sobrang homey, sobrang, comfy lang. Like, kapag pumasok ka, gusto mo na lang gawin is matulog, humika, ganun. Tapos pastel colors like that, sobrang light lang. Parang rest, ganun lang. Sobrang magiging restroom lang din talaga siya for me. And that's what I want sa bedroom. Kapag pasok ako, gusto ko, higa na lang, ganun. Higa lang. So, sorry, mahina pa yung boses. So, I'm practicing, okay? Episode 1 pa lang tayo. Question 5. What do you love about your quiet side? Kayo, answer it, okay? Are you guys answer this too? Okay, so, ang akin, siguro yung mas aware ako sa gusto kong sabihin and gawin. Kasi kapag tahimik ka nga, diba? Mas magiging observant. Mas makikita mo, magiging observant ka, mas mahilig ka manood or i-observe yung tao sa paligid mo kaysa magsalita, diba? So, yun yung gusto ko. Pag tahimik ako, ino-observe lang kita. Ino-observe ko yung sasabihin mo, sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid ko. And kapag may gusto silang sabihin sa akin, I am careful with what I want to say. So, parang doon yung gusto ko. Careful lang ako kasi our words are powerful. So, we should be careful to what we say, then, diba? So, question 6. What's something you are learning to love about yourself? Wow! Sobrang deep na to. Actually, nung ginagawa ko yung script na nahirapan din ako isagot siya kasi I am not open nga sa sarili ko. Hindi ko dinidiscover yung sarili ko. Siguro ito. Itong pag-video. Siguro, that's what I am learning about. I am learning to love about myself. Na gusto kong lumabas sa comfort zone ko. I want to try new things. And I want to challenge myself ba ganun. 7. What's something you want to get better at? Well, obvious naman. Ito ang point ng video, di ba? It's talking confidently, fighting my shyness, getting out of my comfort zone. Ito yung purpose na naman talaga kung bakit ko ito ginawa. It's because I want to be out of my comfort zone. I really want to be able to speak confidently. And syempre may sense naman. And careful with our words talaga. And i-voice out din yung thoughts natin about it. Question number 8. What's a small thing that makes you feel loved? Wow. As a someone na sobrang as a tahimik, mahiyain, I really appreciate it when people make me feel included. Kasi parang pakiramdam, kahit hindi tayo close, ini-include mo ko. I feel like, wow, may presence pa ako, nandun pa pala ako, nakikita niyo pa ako. Ganun yung feeling. Pag I feel so special. I really love that. This is small matter lang for me. Parang parang maliit na bagay lang. Pero for me, sobrang laki na. Like, sobrang laki sa Okay. Question 9. What do you hope future you feels like? Feels like. Okay, ulit. What do you hope future you feels? So, future self ko, ikaw. What are you now? I want, kung nasan ka man ngayon, future, I hope you're happy, you're contented, you're stable, and finally achieve your dreams for yourself, for our family. Yan. successful, love, enjoy things. Really, really, yes. Don't feel pressured anymore. So, last questions. Question 10. What's your little dream right now? Siguro, I don't have this little dream. My dream is that to grow this account because I want people like me to find this video that will help them, that will also feel feel seen, heard lang din as someone like me. I want to be I want to like magkaroon ng purpose sa kanila, like that. So 10 questions pa lang yung ginawa ko. Actually, kay ChatGPT. Pinili ko lang. So, yun lang. I am proud to be able to do this. I hope you do proud to yourself then. If you ever answer these questions, I'm proud to what you did today. Okay? Be proud of whatever you're doing. So, ayun lang. So, thank you for being here while I'll talk. I know I have... mahina pa yung boses ko. Sorry po. But, But even though ganun pa rin, it helped me feel a little braver. Tapos naging gagawin ko later, next time. So, I hope you'll be there na. Sana nandun na kayo for me when I do this again. If you guys have questions, go on, comment down below. Okay, so we're practicing this together, okay? We are this together. So, yun lang. See you on the next episodes of Jazz Diary. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Bye-bye! Love lots!